Just when I thought the Stanley Two Cup Cookset couldn't get any better, these happened. This is the new Stanley Stay Hot Stacking Cup. Today I want to share what I found when comparing these to the ones from the 2024 version Stanley Wildfare Go 2 Cup Cookset, as well as the cups from the long-loved Stanley Adventure 2 Cup Cookset. Is this the ultimate Stanley 2 Cup Cookset hack? The Stanley Stay Hot Stacking Cup? Let's find out. Welcome friends, and welcome to Katie's Camp Kitchen. In this video we're going to dive into 3 areas. First up are the physical characteristics. Secondly, we will test the temperature performance. Stick around to the end and I'll show you my favorite new surprise use. Now let's jump into it. The physical characteristics we will be discussing are size and shape, weight, lids, stacking, and colors. Now let's check the size of each cup type. When checking size and shape, the metal cup is just a smidge smaller in diameter and a bit taller than the Wildfare Go cup. Now let's see if we can fit these metal cups into the cookset just like the plastic ones. Without the lids, they fit just as the included cups do. With one of the included lids, there is a bit of a gap, but the cookset is still closable. Then I thought, gee, since they are narrower, is there any chance they would fit into the old Adventure series? So I decided to give it a try. They fit. There's one, there's 2, with room to spare. We'll try the top. And the top is even flatter. Not quite all the way, but almost. And when I stacked them together, I could see that the diameter of the new metal cup is actually smaller than the Adventure Series cup. Just a quick comparison of lids. There is a lid included in the Stacking Stay Hot cup. No lids are included for the cups in the Wildfare Go or Adventure Series 2 Cup Cooksets. However, for the Wildfare Go cup, a Yeti or Walmart Ozark Trails cup will fit. In addition, for the Adventure Series cup, a lid from Breadcrumbs will fit and can be used as a dust cover. The Yeti and Ozark Trails lids fit the Wildfare Go cup very well. The lid from the insulated Stay Hot Stacking Cup fits also. Doesn't snug down quite as tight as in the cup it came with, however. The Yeti and Walmart lid will fit inside the new metal cup, but they are not snug. They're more like a dust cover. You can definitely tell a difference when looking at the inside diameter. The new metal cup comes in 5 colors. 4 are available from Amazon and all 5 from the Stanley1913.com website. The green color is the same as the Wildfare Go cups. I will leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description box and first pinned comment of the video in case you're looking for the specification of these cups. Now let's do a weight comparison of all 3 cups. Secondly, we will be comparing hot, cold, and iced temperature performance for the different cups with and without lids. Here's the data after 30 minutes. This compares the included plastic cup that came with the Wildfare 2 Cup Cookset with the Stanley Stay Hot Stacking metal cup. There's a huge difference between the included plastic cup with an open lid and the metal cup with a closed lid. So if you like your drinks to stay hot, the Stanley metal cup definitely is a good choice. This data also shows that lids make a big difference for retaining heat. The results were very similar between the Wildfare Go plastic cup and the original Adventure Series cup, so I did not include them on this chart to make it easier to summarize. However, this next chart shows all the data that I took between hot, cold, and iced in case you want to compare. Next, I tested the cups for cold water performance. I started with 43 degrees Fahrenheit water. I checked the temperature several times, and they're also in that complete data set, but here are some times for brevity. Here's a summary of the cold water testing. This data shows the difference between the included plastic cup and metal cups for open versus lidded and the difference in materials. For cold temperature performance, material was the largest contributing factor in performance. Next, I tested the cups for iced water performance. The water used to fill the cups was room temperature. Here's a summary of the iced water testing. This data shows the temperatures at 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. Cup material again is the most important for cold and iced retention. Here is an overall summary of the temperature testing. For hot use, lids make a big difference for retaining heat. Cup materials also helps, but to a lesser degree. For cold and iced use, cup material is the most important for cold retention. Here are some uses for these cups in addition to beverages. Stick around until the end and I'll show you my new favorite use. These are great for condiments, as a gravy warmer. I like to make oatmeal in them and yogurt and fruit. I love to use them for cream and milk and for salad toppings. They make a great small taco bar for my husband and I, and they're great for a cup of soup. I also like to use them for side dishes to keep them warm or cold, and they fit great on a picnic plate. They're also great for Cheeto chopsticks. My grandson likes to use chopsticks with his Cheetos so his fingers don't get the Cheeto orange. The chopsticks make the Cheetos almost gourmet. And now my new favorite use, ice cream. For my final and most important test, I wanted to test these cups with ice cream. For the test, I put 4 ounces of ice cream in each cup. Although I tested the temperatures throughout the 30 minutes, what really made a difference was how much they were melting. Although it's hard to see it in the video, the Stanley Stay Hot Stacking Cup definitely did the best in maintaining the cold of the ice cream. However, the two plastic cups from the Cooksets did a great job too. Here are my final thoughts and conclusions. The plastic insulated cups that came with the 2-cup Cooksets are quite good. I find myself reaching for them all the time. They have one space in both my camper and home base. I like their performance, shape, and size. And the Wildfare Go cup can be microwaved. Is the new Stanley Stay Hot Stacking Cup worth the $20-ish that they cost? I think that depends on your needs and budget. For me, the new cup is a definite yes. It's a great size, shape, and has great performance. It fits my smaller hands well. It performs like my larger insulated cups, but in a smaller form factor. It's the cup I wish I had during my career when traveling extensively by air and for an everyday carry. It can be tucked in a bag and doesn't take up much space. I do wish there was an option for a lid with a better closure similar to other cups. I love that I can pack this cup inside my Stanley 2-cup cookset. Whether or not this is the ultimate hack for the 2-cup cooksets, it is definitely a major upgrade for the cups. And finally, 2 thumbs up to the design engineers for designing a cup that fits both the Wildfare Go and Adventure Series 2-cup cooksets. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this new cup. Thanks so very much. We'll see you around the campfire very soon. Bye for now.